Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a deep clean of my living room. As you guys can see, things are everywhere. I need to go ahead and wash my walls. It's time. I usually wash my walls once a month. I wash my walls, I wash the blinds, the windows, give a ceiling fan a good dusting. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you don't mind, please like, comment, and most definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy. I have two little ones that want to say hello. Hi. Hi. Hey, pretty girl. I wish I had gotten a better angle over here. I keep all of my router, my surge protectors, cords, and everything over here in this area out of the way from the children to keep them from messing with it, touching buttons and stuff. But I'm still learning. My angles aren't perfect, but I can tell you guys there was a lot of dust bunnies. Under every couch once I move it. I clear all the debris, all the dust out the way, and then I move the couch back. Now I'm just doing a spot treatment on this couch. This couch is about 15 years old. When me and my husband moved together, my mom and dad gave us this couch set, and I mean, I know it's time for a new couch, but I mean, it's so comfortable and I just love it so much. Now it's time to give these blinds a quick wash. I like to go back and forth, cleaning all the dust off. I dusted it first, and then I washed them down really good. Also, don't forget to open up a window to get in some fresh air. There's nothing like fresh air coming into the home. It just circulates all that bad air out, just allow all the good clean air in. In the morning, I love opening up my windows, getting some fresh air in. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait until the fall time. It's just, and then you can hear the leaves rustling in the background. I mean, it's just everything. to wash your walls and your floors. I'm looking to try new things. I've always used the same product, so I'm very interested. If you can, just write me a quick note below as to what you use, what concoction you put together to wash your walls and your floors. I'm eager to know some new things. So as I was cleaning up, I put on the movie Smallfoot for my children to watch, but as you can see, I had gotten into it. Stopped the video long enough to eat dinner, put the kids in the bath, and now I'm just on to finish this so I can put them to bed.